Hello everyone, welcome to the brand new episode of Boys Toys Review. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the newly unveiled Hyundai Alcazar. And well, it's simply a Creta which has been elongated from the back to accommodate the sixth and the seventh seating arrangement. Well, talking here about the arrangement, you will be getting two options. One is the 7-seater and the other one is the 6-seater. In the 6-seater you will be having captain seats. So captain seats are usually very comfortable in terms of longer routes. And now you're talking about the wheelbase. Well, it is 2760 and it is longer than the Creta, 150 longer than the Creta. And this wheelbase actually is the longest in its segment. Yes, longer than the Safari and longer than the MG Hector. Well, let's see if it translates in a bigger seating capacity inside. And now coming to the engine part, it is having two engine options. One is petrol and diesel. Well, here you are getting a bigger petrol engine, that is the 2-liter petrol engine. So yes, Hyundai is actually satisfying its petrol heads fans. And diesel, well, we don't have a proper news that Creta engine will be given here. The diesel turbo option is being given over here. So let's see which one is being offered here by the Hyundai. And well, talking here about the looks of the car, well, it is very much similar to the Creta, and there are a little bit of changes happening here and there, but then you can simply make out which one is the Creta and which one is the Alcazar, because they're very much like just like brother and sisters. Talking here about the tail light, yes, we do see something different over here from the Creta, but again, these are all just this shapes have been changed. Nothing dramatically Hyundai has added in it. And gearbox, yes, gearbox you will be getting obviously both manual and automatic. It's having a 6-speed manual as well as 6-speed automatic gearbox. Okay, also now talking about the top end variant. The top end variant might be having 18-inch wheels. And one great news for the Alcazar potential buyers over here, that you'll be getting an AC vent even in the third row, so which is a good news, because usually in 7-seaters the ACs don't actually get all the way through the back. They just it's usually till the second row, but here you will be getting it till the third row, so it's a good news for the potential buyers out there. Okay, so now talking here about the looks, well, it is much more beefier and fleshier than the Creta. Obviously, it's a big car, so it should have that kind of road presence which Tata and MG Hector is offering. Well, one thing we should note is that the XUV 700, yes, 500, not actually the 500, but the 700 is around the corner. So I would, if you have the patience, so I would just recommend all of you out there who are planning to buy the Alcazar, just to wait for a few more months and check out the XUV 700, which will be having a NCAP safety rating from Mahindra, so which will give you more safety and a peace of mind while driving. Well, talking here about the looks again, sorry, I actually routed somewhere else. So talking here about the looks, well, from the rear it's totally different. It looks like a underdone car. Like usually I honestly felt that Creta was little bit overdone from the back. Over here it looks very much grounded, very much planted here. It actually is very much mature looking car from the rear. And in the front, well, the grille has increased little bit from the Creta. I haven't seen the car personally, so I would just reserve my comments for now. So talking here about the competition, well, it is competing with the MG Hector, Tata Safari and the upcoming XUV 500. So it will be a close call for many other car makers who are actually pushing down in this segment. And recently we have heard that the Kia Sonet is also having a 7-seater, but obviously that's a small car, so wouldn't be commenting more about it. Well, talking about the price, I definitely feel it will be not very aggressive in terms of uh, the Tata Safari and the MG Hector. It will be somewhat running around here and there only, so we can't expect it to be more cheap, or because definitely Hyundai is offering a feature loaded car always, so we won't be expecting it to be anytime cheaper. So I guess that was it for today's video. Thank you so much.